Welcome to English Listening Journey. Have you ever wondered why some people learn English quickly while others struggle for years? The secret isn't just studying, it's using English in real life. Many learners spend years memorizing grammar rules and vocabulary, but still feel lost in conversations. The truth is, fluency comes from real-world practice, not just textbooks. In this video, we'll explore how you can stop treating English as a subject and start experiencing it as a living language. Why studying alone is not enough. Think about how children learn their first language. They don't sit down with grammar books or take vocabulary quizzes. Instead, they listen, repeat, and use the language in daily life. The same principle applies to learning English. Immersion is the key. When you focus too much on studying, you might understand the rules, but when it's time to speak, your brain hesitates. You translate words, worry about mistakes, and lose confidence. Instead of letting English be something you study, let it be something you live. Many learners also feel stuck because they limit their learning to classrooms and textbooks. But language is alive, and it thrives in real-world interactions. Watching a movie without subtitles, joining online forums, or having small conversations with strangers in English can do more for your fluency than hours of passive study. How to make English a part of your life. One of the most effective ways to improve English is by surrounding yourself with it. Imagine waking up in the morning and checking your phone. All your apps, notifications, and messages are in English. You turn on an English podcast while making breakfast and later watch a short English video. By the time you leave home, you've already had over an hour of natural exposure to English without studying at all. Throughout the day, instead of thinking in your native language, try to think in English. If you see a tree, say tree in your mind instead of translating from your native language. If you're making a grocery list, write it in English. These small changes train your brain to process English naturally. Speaking is another essential part of learning. Even if you don't have a partner, talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing, express your thoughts, or repeat sentences from English videos. The more you hear your own voice speaking English, the more comfortable it becomes. Try changing the entertainment you consume. Read books or articles in English. Follow English-speaking influencers and listen to music with English lyrics. These things not only improve your language skills, but also make learning enjoyable and effortless. Mistakes are part of the process. A big reason why learners hesitate to speak is the fear of making mistakes. But mistakes are not failures. They are signs that you're learning. Even native speakers make errors when speaking. Instead of aiming for perfection, aim for communication. If someone understands what you mean, you're succeeding. Think of English like riding a bicycle. If you only read about cycling but never get on a bike, you'll never learn to ride. The same goes for English. You need to actually use it to get better. Another reason mistakes help you learn is that they create memorable moments. If you say something wrong and someone corrects you, you are more likely to remember it next time. Each mistake brings you one step closer to fluency. A challenge for you. To truly experience the power of using English, try this. For the next 24 hours, immerse yourself in English as much as possible. Listen to English, think in English, write something in English, and, most importantly, speak in English, even if it's just to yourself. Then, reflect on how it feels. Does it make English seem more natural? Do you feel more confident? The more you integrate English into your daily life, the more effortless it will become. If you want to challenge yourself even further, try having a full conversation with a friend or a language partner without switching to your native language. Even if you struggle, you'll notice improvements with each conversation. Another great way to practice is by storytelling. Choose a simple topic, like what you did yesterday or your favorite memory, and tell it in English. Record yourself speaking and listen back to see how you sound. Final thoughts. Fluency doesn't come from memorizing rules. It comes from making English a part of your world. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. Stop waiting until you feel ready and start using English today. Every word you speak, listen to, or write brings you closer to fluency. Remember, learning a language is not about perfection but progress. Every time you use English in real life, you take one step closer to mastering it. Instead of thinking, I need to study more, think, how can I use English today? So what's one way you will start using English more today? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Listening Journey for more real-world English learning tips. See you in the next video.